Hey guys, down at Ocean Beach here, and it's just smashing up here. Just smashing up here. Double banger waves, and just wait up here for the next waves. It's coming right up here and chewing all that away. So I suppose if I get down here, I'm looking for coins on the surface. Heaps of rocks. Oh, get up out of here. Alright, they're starting to come in again. And it's still an hour away from high tide. So, an hour before high tide, and it's way up here, cutting its way up. All the way into where the flood drain is. Cutting all up here. Awesome. Awesome. Ocean Beach live. Smashing it, an hour away from high tide, and it's up here already. Awesome. It's going to be a big night.